Mark, this park is so peaceful in the afternoon. I am glad we met here.
Yes, Julia. I enjoy coming here after work. The trees and birds help me relax.
Do you often visit this park?
I come here 2 or 3 times a week. I sometimes bring my dog Max with me.
You have a dog? That is wonderful. What kind of dog is Max?
Max is not very big. He is brown and has floppy ears. He loves to chase balls here.
He must be very playful. Dogs bring so much joy.
Yes, he always greets me with a wagging tail when I come home.
I remember my childhood dog, Luna. She always followed me around the house.
Do you have a dog now, Julia?
No, not now. My apartment is small, but maybe one day I will adopt one.
That would be nice. Dogs make good friends. Maybe you can meet Max next time.
I would love that. I enjoy playing with dogs. They always make me smile.
Max would run to you right away if you throw him a ball.
That sounds fun. I am glad you have such a friendly dog.
Thank you, Julia. I always feel better after spending time here.
Me too, Mark. It is nice to share these moments.
Let us meet again soon. Maybe Max can join us next time.
Good morning, Ethan. The sun looks so nice in the kitchen today.
Good morning, Maya. Yes, I like mornings here. Everything feels peaceful.
Do you enjoy sitting at this table for breakfast?
I do. This table is a good place to talk and start the day.
I agree. It is big enough for friends, and it feels very comfortable.
Sometimes I spread out my work on this table too. It gets a little messy.
I have seen your papers all over once or twice. It made me smile.
Thank you for not getting upset. I try to keep it tidy now.
It is not a problem. This table is strong and easy to clean anyway.
Where did you find this table? It looks special.
I bought it from a small shop in town. The owner made it by hand.
That is interesting. I like the natural wood and the round shape.
Me too. A round table feels friendlier to me.
Yes, I think a round table is good for talking. Everybody can see each other.
We can use this table for work, meals, or even games.
Maybe next time we can play a board game here.
That sounds great. Thank you for having breakfast with me.
Thank you, Maya. Have a wonderful day.
Thomas, this park looks beautiful in the afternoon.
Yes, Nina, it feels peaceful here. The sun is so bright today.
Do you like sitting outside when the sun shines?
I do. The warm sun always helps me relax after work.
I agree. Sometimes I bring a book and read in the sun.
That sounds nice. I sometimes fall asleep here on the bench.
Really? I would be afraid of sleeping in public, but this place does feel safe.
Yes, I just close my eyes for a moment. The sun feels gentle on my face.
The sunlight makes the flowers look even more colorful. Have you seen those yellow ones by the fountain?
Yes, I saw them. I think they are marigolds. The sun makes them shine.
Sometimes I come here in the early morning, too. The sun is soft and the park is quiet.
I prefer afternoons, but maybe one day I will try the morning.
We could bring coffee and watch the sunrise together. That would be fun.
That sounds lovely. The sun brings so much happiness.
Today is a perfect day to enjoy it. I am glad we came.
Me too, Nina. Thank you for inviting me to the park.
You are welcome, Thomas. I hope we can do this again soon.
Yes, I would like that. Have a wonderful evening.
Enjoy the rest of this sunny day.
Daniel, do you often come to this park?
Yes, I like the calm here. It is a good place to relax.
I agree. I enjoy sitting here and reading.
What book are you reading today, Sarah?
It is a novel about traveling. The story is very interesting so far.
Sure. Do you like to read travel books the most?
Sometimes, I also like mystery books. This book makes me dream of new places.
That sounds nice. I have a few books at home, but I read slowly.
I think that is fine. Reading should be fun, not a race.
Yes, I enjoy taking my time with each chapter.
Is there one book you remember well from school?
Yes, there was a story about a boy who loved adventures. I still remember some lessons from it.
That is wonderful. Some stories stay with us for a long time.
Would you like to lend me your book after you finish it?
Of course, I will let you know as soon as I finish.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome, Daniel.
I will look forward to reading it. Have a lovely afternoon.
You too. Enjoy your time in the park. Mark, thank you for meeting me here today. The park feels so peaceful right now.
It is my pleasure, Julia. I really enjoy sitting in the park, especially on days like this.
Do you come to this park often, or is this your first time?
I usually come here once or twice a week for a walk. It helps me relax after work.
I understand that. The trees and fresh air are just perfect.
Yes, I agree. I like watching the people here too, especially the children playing.
I remember bringing my niece to the park last summer. She loved feeding the birds.
That sounds nice. Sometimes I sit on this bench and read while the birds walk around me.
What do you usually read when you are here?
I like simple novels or short stories. Nature helps me concentrate.
The park really is a special place for everyone. Sometimes I just watch the clouds and daydream.
That is a good idea. Maybe next time I will try that instead of reading.
We could even bring some snacks or coffee and relax together again.
That would be great. I enjoy these quiet moments with you.
It is getting cooler now. Maybe we should start heading home soon.
Yes, we should. Let us meet here again next week.
Thank you for this lovely afternoon, Mark.
Thank you, Julia. Have a wonderful evening.
This place looks nice. I am glad we decided to have lunch here.
Yes, the atmosphere is lovely. I like sitting outside in the fresh air.
Have you been here before, Marina?
Yes, once with a friend. The food was really good, especially the pasta.
That sounds great. I always enjoy trying a new dish.
Me too. I like tasting different types of food from different countries.
Is there any food you would like to eat today?
Today, I feel like something with vegetables. Maybe a fresh salad or some grilled fish.
That is a good idea. I see they have a salad with avocado and feta cheese.
That sounds delicious. I also noticed they offer a vegetable soup.
I am still deciding. Sometimes I like to try the chef's special.
You are always so adventurous with food. I often choose something I already enjoy.
I remember you once ordered only fries for lunch. You said you wanted comfort food.
Yes, that was a funny day. Sometimes simple food is the best.
I agree, but today I feel like something a bit different.
The waiter is coming. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. Thank you for helping me decide.
You are welcome. I hope we enjoy our meals.
Hello, welcome to our dealership. How can I help you today?
Thank you. I'm looking to buy a car. I am not sure which one to choose.
That is great. We have different models. Are you looking for a small car or a bigger one?
I think a small car is better for me. I live in the city and parking is difficult.
Do you drive every day for work?
No, I only use a car on weekends to visit my parents or go shopping.
A compact car can be a good choice then. It is easy to drive and uses less fuel.
That sounds good. Do you have any recommendations?
Yes, this silver car outside is very popular. Many people say it is comfortable and safe.
It looks nice. How is its fuel consumption?
It is very efficient. Most drivers need to fill the tank only once a week.
That is perfect for me. I do not like going to the gas station often.
Many people say the same thing. Less time at the pump is always nice.
I agree. Does the car have air conditioning?
Yes, and it also has Bluetooth and a rear camera for parking.
Thank you for your help. I want to see the car now, please.
Of course, I will show you the car right away.
Thank you so much for your time.
Daniel, do you often listen to music at home?
Yes, I do. I like to play soft music in the afternoon. It makes me feel relaxed.
I also enjoy listening to music when I read. Do you have a favorite type?
I like many kinds, but instrumental music is my favorite now. It helps me concentrate.
Instrumental music is nice. Sometimes I play jazz in the background when I cook.
Jazz is good for cooking. I sometimes try to dance a little when I hear it.
That sounds fun. I like to move a little to the beat too. Music can really change the mood.
Yes, it can. Last weekend, I listened to some old songs with my family. We remembered many things.
That is lovely. Music brings back memories for me as well. I remember singing with my brother as a child.
Those are special moments. Do you sing sometimes now?
Sometimes, but only when I am alone. I am too shy to sing in front of others.
That is all right. I do not sing much, but I like humming along to the melody.
Do you play any instruments, Daniel?
I played the guitar a little at university, but I am not very good. Maybe I will try again this year.
That is a good idea. Music is always nice to learn, no matter your age.
Thank you, Sarah. I will find my guitar soon.
You are welcome. Have a wonderful time with your music. David, have you seen that old telephone on the counter?
Yes, I noticed it when we came in. It looks very interesting.
It reminds me of my grandmother's house. She had a similar telephone in her living room.
That sounds nice. I remember my father teaching me how to use a rotary telephone when I was a child.
I always thought the sound of the numbers turning was very special. It is different from telephones today.
I agree. Now everyone uses mobile phones. The feeling is not the same anymore.
Once, I called my best friend from a payphone outside my school. We laughed a lot because it was raining and the telephone booth was so small.
That is a great story. I remember waiting near the telephone at home for important calls. It felt more important then.
Talking by telephone was always a special event. We could talk for hours about everything.
Yes, and if somebody needed the telephone, we had to finish the call. That does not happen now with mobile phones.
Would you like to try using that old telephone here? Maybe we can ask if it still works.
That would be fun. I will ask the person at the counter if we can try it.
If it works, I want to hear the ring. It is such a classic sound.
It is strange but nice how a simple telephone can bring so many memories.
It really is. Technology changes so quickly, but some things stay in our hearts.
Thank you for sharing your story. I enjoyed this talk very much.
Me too. Thank you for listening.
Have a wonderful evening, Rosa.
Helen, do you like shopping for clothes in small boutiques like this?
Yes, I do. I always find something unique. The dresses here look beautiful today.
I agree. I saw a lovely blue dress on that rack. It made me think of you.
A blue dress? That is my favorite color. I want to go and see it.
Let us take a closer look together. The fabric looks so soft.
Does you think this style would look nice on me? I am never sure about new styles.
Yes, I really do. The color would make your eyes stand out. You always look elegant in a dress.
Thank you, Sandra. Sometimes I feel more comfortable in trousers, but a nice dress can feel special.
That is true. I usually wear jeans, but I enjoy trying dresses for special days.
Do you remember the red dress you wore to the last party? It was really wonderful on you.
Yes, I remember. I bought it here. The staff were very helpful.
Maybe you can help me choose now. I want to find something that feels just right.
Of course, I am happy to help. Let us look at a few options and see what speaks to you most.
I see a green dress here as well. Do you like this one for me?
It is nice, but the blue dress feels more like your style. Maybe you could try both.
Good idea, Sandra. I will try them both and decide after.
You will look great in either dress. Enjoy trying them on.
Thank you so much. You always make shopping a fun experience.
You are welcome, Helen. Have fun in the fitting room.